Hi, I'm Mikkel. I come from the Architectural Technology and Construction Management Education at UCN in Denmark. I've been here in Vietnam on an internship for 5 months, where I've worked for a major company at the Ho Chi Minh City Metro Line 1. I believe the most important skill to have when working in an international environment is to be able to communicate. Communication is the foundation of any cooperation between people, especially when working on international projects as here in Vietnam. The most difficult part on the project here in Vietnam has been the communication. People, they speak and communicate on many different levels, so you need to be able to adapt your language to your receiver in order to avoid misunderstandings. I think the ATCM has a great chance of making career in Vietnam. Through the study, you'll learn about process thinking and general aspects of the construction process, which I believe can make great assets to any construction or building related company. In Vietnam, there's a lot of projects going on, and I think the demand for graduates is increasing. After my internship, my plan is to go back to Denmark to finish my last semester in order to graduate. Through my internship, I've been given 2 job offers, one in Dubai and one in Asia, which means I'll be going back in the beginning of 2017. Thank you for listening. If you have any questions, please contact the UCN Global Office in Vietnam.